Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create follow-up tasks on record activities in HubSpot. This feature is incredibly useful for staying on top of your client communications and ensuring no important follow-ups slip through the cracks. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to open HubSpot in your web browser, head over to HubSpot.com, and sign in with your credentials. If you're already logged into your account, you can skip this step and move right along. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu, hover your mouse over the option labeled CRM. When you do this, an expanded window will appear with several choices. Look for contacts in this menu and click on it. This takes you to your contacts database where all your client and lead information is stored. Now that you're in the contacts menu, scroll through and locate the specific contact you want to create a follow-up task for. Click on that contact's name to open their full profile. This brings up all the information and activity history associated with this person. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the contacts card with various action options. Look for and click on Create an Email. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you can draft your message directly within HubSpot. An email composition tab will appear on your screen. Here you'll fill in your subject line and compose your email body as you normally would. Now here's where the follow-up magic happens. Look at the bottom part of the composition tab. You'll notice a checkbox that says Create a to-do task to follow up, accompanied by a drop-down arrow. Put a check in this box. Once checked, you'll be able to assign either a to-do, email, or call task from the drop-down options. You can also set your desired follow-up schedule right here, whether that's the next day, next week, or any custom time frame that works for your workflow. Once you've composed your email and configured your follow-up task settings, simply click Send. Your email will go out to the contact, and HubSpot will automatically create the follow-up task in your queue based on the parameters you set. This ensures you never forget to circle back with important contacts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.